Why is the earth round? The earth is round because of the force called gravity. Most of you must be thinking about how the force is affecting the planet to be round. The gravitational force on the earth, which binds objects and brings the ball back when thrown in the air, is one of the conventional forces that make the earth round. If, for instance, the earth would have had points or edges, the gravity would have pulled it back to its center. This central force manages to pull everything to its center and therefore makes the earth very much round, without any ends or edges. The equal force gives the shape of the earth like that of a ball. Gravity helps us to keep things on the earth and therefore in a way has made living on the earth possible. If it had not been there, the objects would have been floating without rest. Why is the sky blue during daytime and black at night? The sky appears as blue only when the sunlight enters the atmosphere. The sunlight is made up of a spectrum of colors known as Vibgyor or rainbow colors. As soon as the light enters the atmosphere, the colors all scatter as they pass from different particles in the air. The color in the light with the shorter wavelength spreads more. Violet color, having the shortest wavelength, is scattered all over the sky. But because human eyes are sensitive and cannot observe the violet color, we observe the sky as blue, which is next on the list or pattern of the color spectrum. On the contrary, the sky appears black at night because of the absence of sunlight. Without sunlight, the sky masks itself with the blackness of space. The moon, that is a natural satellite, shines because it reflects sunlight, which falls over it and shines when the earth is not receiving the light. Why does it snow? Snow falls from the sky, but where exactly does it come from? Snow begins in the atmosphere as water condenses into a tiny droplet. As more and more water vapor condenses onto its surface, the droplet grows. Cold air then freezes this water into an ice crystal. Each ice crystal has a unique shape that depends on the temperature surrounding air and water vapor content. If it is below freezing and there is a lot of water vapor in the air, the crystal grows 6 evenly spaced branches. More and more water vapor collects on these branches and freezes, making the ice crystal increasingly heavy. Eventually, the ice crystal falls from the sky, leaving the cloud of precipitation that it helps to form. As it falls, the crystal continues to grow by picking up more water vapor. As it descends, the ice crystal can come into contact with warmer air that makes it melt somewhat. This melting acts like a glue, causing crystals to bond together into larger flakes, forming what many people think of as the classic fluffy snowflake. If the crystals melt too much and then refreeze as they get closer to Earth's surface, the precipitation falls as sleet instead of snow. Why is the lemon alkaline? It is generally known by laymen that a lemon is acidic in nature, but you might feel confused if you come to know that lemons have citric acid in them, but water with a lemon has alkalizing effect on the body. Lemons have high pH value, which may vary between 2.2 to 2.4 depending upon their state of ripeness. But when a lemon is mixed with water and taken by us, pH nature of lemon changes during metabolic process and becomes alkaline form. This is because citric acid is weak and it becomes alkaline, forming in nature by the stimulating formation of calcium carbonate in the body, which later neutralizes strong acids in the body, including urine too. This is the reason why lemons are said to have alkalizing effect on the human body. This is not only the case of lemons but also with oranges, grapefruit. In fact, all fruits which contain citric acid in them.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.